Hello guys, good morning. Greetings from Tennessee. And it's the 24th of December. We're trying to prepare some dish. And the special dish I'm doing now is the Morcon. Thank you, Google, for giving me the recipe, the beef Morcon. And the ingredients will be beef steak marinated in lemon and soy and some seasoning. We have some sausages and eggs, cheese, dill pickle, and carrots. Alright, so I cut the egg in a desired size that you want. Got the other ingredients and we're ready to put them on this beef steak marinated in soy and lemon. Okay, first we put them the sausage right there the way you want it. Put also carrots, put some eggs, and I cut my eggs into slices, so there will be 3. Put some dill pickle. This dill pickle is made by my hubby. It's a special dill pickle. Then we have to put some cheese there. And we're ready to roll this beef to cover the ingredients. Okay, so my Morcon is ready. I tied the best way I can. It's my first time, so well, maybe next time I'll do it better. And then now I'm using a vegetable oil. Okay, so we have to seal the beef oil. Now that the pan is hot, it's time for us to put the beef. We try to make it brown. Alright, while searing this beef brown, I have to slice my onions, tomatoes, and I have this minced California garlic that I use. Now that our beef is totally seared, you have to transfer it to my plate. And we use the same set in low fire. Now let's put some minced garlic and the onion and tomato. Let's like saute this for just a minute. Right there. Then what we need is the extra marinating sauce, okay, that we use for the beef. Right there. Okay. Starts to simmer or boil, we now put our Morcon. Okay. One more here, and cover and cook it for like 2 hours. Let's check. Yay! Now it's totally cooked. We can now get one and try to chop it off. Yahoo! Yay! This Morcon, I hope it's yummy. Yeah, that's yummy. And so I chopped one of them, and now I'm gonna put some sauce on top of it. Alright, make it look yummy. Yummy. Come here. Ooh, the sauce. It's the sauce. Like, nice.